In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Temu credits. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So Temu credits are automatically applied when you check out the item. So in order to do that, what you have to do is make sure you've added the item to the cart. If you want to do that, simply click on the item that you would like to purchase and click on the option add to cart. Once you do that, you'll have to view the cart. For that, what you have to do is click on this cart icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface of Temu. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to cart over here. Make sure to select the item. Now after you do that, click on the checkout option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface of Temu. In the checkout interface, you'll be able to find this section for order summary. You'll be able to see the item total, item discount, etc. So if you have the Temu credits, they'll be automatically applied to the eligible orders during the checkout. In order to use less than your full credit balance for a particular order, you can simply select change at checkout and enter a different amount to apply. Right now I do not have any credit, so I'm not being able to see that option, but you'll be able to find the option for credit and you'll be able to find the option for change. So you can simply click on the change option and you'll be able to use less than your full credit balance for a particular order. So like this, you'll be able to use the Temu credits. So that is how you use Temu credits. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.